How to use laser marking machine. Operation demo. Meenjet L4PRO handheld laser coder. This video will show how to operate the laser marking machine step by step. It is easy to learn and easy to use. How to create a new file. Click the New on the interface. If the current file was saved, it will be closed and we come to edit a new file. On the interface, we can edit and print text, counter, image, data time, QR code, DM code, and barcode. How to edit text. We can type and edit text formats. Select the item, click the Content Edit box in Object Properties, and enter the required information. Set the styles for the text, vertical, bold, and italic. Click the Fill Bar button to set the fill mode and print mode of the entity printing. Click Font Width and Font Height to change its size. Click Arc Text to expand the corresponding for control parameters. Start angle, end angle, X radius, Y radius. How to edit serial numbers. Click the counter button and select the default serial number appeared in the editing area. Click Advance in Object Properties to adjust the length, prefix, current, initial, and step values, font, and other properties of the serial number. How to edit the time. Click the Time button and select the entry. In the Object Properties, click the question icon. We can see descriptions of each time formatting. We can set the valid days, and the best before date will be calculated automatically. Click Time Format to set the order of years, months, and days. Other font properties can be edited below. How to edit the image. Click the Image button. Import the image to the local with a USB in the Object Properties Advance. The image size and style can be edited below. How to edit the QR code, DM code, and barcode. Click the QR code button and select the entry. By editing the text input in the Advanced, the code will change automatically. We can edit the scaling, error correction rate, version, printing method, reverse printing of the code. The operation for writing DM code and barcode is the same. How to use external data. Currently, the external data option can be enabled in the advanced properties of text, QR code, and DM code. Click the X data button in the advanced. We can use TXT files imported into the local. How to use internal data. Currently, the internal data option can be enabled in the advanced properties of DM code. Click Enter_var button in the advanced. We can use internal text, counter, and time data. How to set a preview. Save the file and click Preview on the interface to open the Preview Settings interface. The Dual Light Preview helps us check the marked areas, convenient for us to adjust the marking position. How to delete or copy a file. Click Open or X Data on the interface, then select the file in the local, and click Copy to USB or delete it, and vice versa. How to set print parameters. Click Processing Parameters. We can set content scale, print power, print speed, and other parameters. Different printing parameters influence the printing effect on different substrates. How to change system language, font, and time. Click the Settings button. In the options, we can change the language. Most languages are supported and can be customized. Click Import Font. We can import a new font from the USB, and we can use the font type in print. Click Sys Time. We can change the time according to the time zone we are located in.